Hi everyone, I've got a premium Goodwill Blue box to open today. See what goodies we can find. I hope there's some good stuff in here. Everything's in bags. We'll take all those out. Oh, there's some rings. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Okay, we'll get our first bag. It looks like a bracelet. 2 bracelets. So this is a little bracelet. What does that say? Let's see. $9.25. This must be jade, maybe, or I can't think of the other one. The other green one. That's pretty. The little hearts and the little flowers. Yeah, that's real pretty. I like that one. Let's see what his tag says. TOUS. Don't know. And here's another one. That's pretty. Some blue crystals. That says 925. Yeah. Oh, that's real pretty. It's a stretchy. This one's stretchy? Yeah, they're both stretchies. Okay, let's see what's in this other bag. Okay, we have a ring. It's pretty. It looks like a glass stone. Silver tone. I don't think it's sterling. No, it just looks like a silver tone ring. Pretty. And then this looks like an onyx. So we see a 925 because this does look like sterling. Yep, right there. There's some marks. Let me see what it says. Yep, 925. Cute. And then we have another one. Oh, this one's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. I'll have to test that. See what that is. Gorgeous. I do like that one. I think this is just a silver tone also. I don't see any marks on it. No. Oh wait, here's a mark. Let me look at it. It just says S-I with a little thing above the I. That's pretty. Here's another one. Oh, abalone. Let's see if this one's sterling. This looks sterling. Yep. What's that say? Doesn't say sterling. It says AL. Just says AL 94 or 64. I don't know. I'll have to test it. It's pretty. Okay, let's see what's in this other bag. It's nice they put them in all these bags. Keep them nice so they don't get all messed up. Oh, look at these. Enamel earrings with some little faux turquoise and faux stones. Oh, there's one missing. Oh, here it is. I can glue it right back in. See, there it is. I'll put that over there so I don't lose it. These are pretty though. I like those. These are clip-ons. Any maker marks? No. Wait, there's one right there. What does that say? They're so little. This says China. But those are pretty. I like those. I'll fix that stone. since it was in the bag. Then we have a pretty little, is that a daisy? That's pretty. That's a brooch. That's really nice. What does that say? Nolan Miller. Very nice. Pretty. And then we have another ring. Pretty. Also silver tone. But it's really nice. Any names in that? No, I don't see any. Okay, let's get the other bag. We have a necklace. These are cold. It's a pearl. What are these? Does anybody know? If anybody knows, leave it in the comment. These are really pretty. Yeah, it's a pretty little necklace. Not sure. Very nice. Okay, we have another bag, a blue bag. And this, oh, that's pretty. It's got little baguettes in the middle. On a rope chain. That's pretty. Chain's in nice condition too. What does that say? Italy? Oh, this is sterling. Yep, 925. I wonder what if this is. Yeah, it is. They're both sterling. Very pretty. Nice. I like that a lot. Very pretty. Okay. They're doing pretty good so far. What do y'all think? Worth it? For the $53? Was it $54.99 actually? This is sterling. And this is on a fishing wire. And it's just little crystals. I wonder if they're Swarovski crystals. I'll have to look closer. See if I see a little swan up there. It could have had a dangle, but you know, sometimes they lose their dangle over time. Those are super pretty though. They're really sparkly. You can't see them really good, but they're super sparkly. Very pretty. I'm actually going to put that back in the bag. I'm afraid that's going to get tangled with all the other stuff. That fishing wire. Okay, what do we have in here? Let's see. Oh, they got it all taped up for me so it doesn't get messed up. Okay, so we got a necklace. It's already got tangled. Oh my. Okay, there we go. That looks like a pearl. Some rhinestones. Beautiful chain. What does that say? Can't keep it still. Stewart. That's beautiful. Okay, so we have the necklace. Let's see what's in here. Looks like earrings. If I can get it open. Oh, there's a ring. It's a whole set. Pretty. Stewart. I'll have to look that up. Does that have any marks? This one also says Stewart. 925. So this is all sterling. And these are some more pearls. Oh, these are cute. Yeah, that's pretty. A whole set. I'm gonna put these earrings back in here. The ring. Okay, we got one more, and that's it. That is all. Okay, let's see what this is. This is a necklace, tag still on it, and it says 925 sterling silver, The Rocks, Thailand. So, sterling silver, looks like a box chain with a pendant. The tree with, or just hearts. Oh, I see. Underneath there's writing. What does it say? Girlfriends are family we choose for ourselves. Oh, that's cute. That's really pretty. Well, that's it. Let me know what you think. Was it worth the $54.99 or not? I'm curious to see what y'all say. All right, that's it. I'll come back with another video later this week. See ya.